Hello everybody, welcome to Mrs. Lin's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll show you how to make Japanese cabbage rolls or roru kyabetsu in Japanese. It is cabbage leaves wrapped around different ground meats such as pork, beef, or chicken. This dish is considered wholesome, so it's perfect to serve as a meal on a cold day. Here is the ingredients overview. As I mentioned earlier, you can use different ground meat. For my recipe today, I'll use ground pork. You can replace the green onion with yellow onion. There are many Japanese dishes that have extensive Western influence, such as omurice, and Japanese cabbage rolls is one of them. This dish is usually served with tomato sauce using chopped tomato as the base, but I like to use soy sauce to make my sauce instead, and therefore it's more Japanese or Wafu style. I'll quickly show you the tomato version at the end of this video if you'd like to try that. Let's prepare the cabbage leaves. First, flip the cabbage upside down and cut around the core. Remove the core. Next, carefully remove the leaves. Try your best to not tear off the leaves, but it's okay if you have small tears here and there. We will need 4 to 6 large leaves for this recipe. My cabbage is relatively large, so 4 leaves are enough for me. If you have a smaller cabbage, increase the number of cabbage leaves as needed. Next, bring a pot of water to a boil. Then add the cabbage leaves. Boil for about 1 minute or until the core is soft. When the cabbage is ready, take them out and immediately place into an ice bath to chill. Take the cabbage leaves out when they have cooled off. Next, trim off the thick vein in the middle of the leaves. It'll make rolling the cabbage leaves easier later. Finally mince the veins. We'll add it to the ground pork mixture later. Let's prepare the ground pork mixture now. First, finely dice the carrot. Thinly slice the green onion. Next, grate the ginger. In a clean bowl, add half pound of the ground meat, green onion, 1/3 cup of diced carrot, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, half teaspoon of soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 egg, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix everything together. I added cornstarch and egg to bind all the ingredients together. Instead of cornstarch, you can also use potato starch. Next, add the chopped cabbage vein we saved earlier. Mix again. Let it sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, which will help set the ingredients together. Let's make the cabbage rolls now. Divide the meat mixture into 4 portions. On a cutting board, lay the cabbage flat. Add 1 portion of the meat mixture near the stem end of the leaf. Tightly roll up from the stem end and fold in both sides as you go. Keep rolling until there's no more cabbage. You can secure the roll by inserting a toothpick in the middle. Do the same for all the other cabbage leaves. We're now ready to cook the cabbage rolls. First, place the cabbage rolls into a pan. Pour in 2 cups of chicken broth and add half teaspoon of soy sauce. Turn on the heat and bring the broth to a boil. Soy sauce will give this dish the color and flavor. When the broth comes to a boil, cover with a lid. Lower the heat to medium-high and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. When the time is up, turn off the heat and you're done. Next, I'll show you how to make the tomato version. In a pan, add all the ingredients like in the soy sauce version. Instead of soy sauce, add in the chopped tomato. To serve, in a shallow serving bowl or plate, place the cabbage rolls, then add remaining juice and sprinkle with sliced green onion. Japanese-style cabbage rolls are meant to be served with broth, so make sure to have enough broth after cooking. Instead of cooking in the pan, I sometimes steam the cabbage roll. The result is about the same. In my next video, I'll show you how you can use these cabbage rolls in oden. I hope you liked today's recipe. Please like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year and see you next time.